With DJI's growing popularity in the action camera market, more consumers now prefer action series over the GoPro. And it has been a year since DJI introduced its last camera to the world, so we can assume DJI might introduce its next-gen action camera soon. Though Action 2 had some notable upgrades, some features definitely made it quite limited to use. So, in today's video, we will be discussing the upgrades that DJI might bring up with their upcoming Action 3. First things first, the modular design from Action 2 defies the actual purpose of action cameras, because having multiple modules that need to be attached makes the device vulnerable, so DJI needs to work on its camera design. As it's been heard, the company has been secretly collecting consumer suggestions for creating the best action camera, and one of the suggestions would be combining all the features on a single camera module. Though the main purpose of Action 2 is ensuring portability, DJI needs to focus on its durability as well. So we would hope Action 3 to have maximum endurance capability and also get all the upgrades stacked in one single device. Coming to the camera upgrade, we have seen the latest Insta360 ONE RS getting a 1-inch sensor. Though this made the cam a bit bulkier, you get excellent resolution and low light performance. So even if it's not a 1-inch sensor, we would hope DJI to provide a large sensor as soon as possible. And obviously with a bigger sensor, not only you'll get more details with the Action 3, but also this will allow the camera to capture more light. Furthermore, the present Action Cam is only capable of shooting 8-bit color depth and cannot shoot at true HDR. There is a possibility that the Action 3 will have true HDR with a color depth of 10 bits and a dynamic range of 13 to 14 stops. But DJI already has complaints regarding overheating, and in some cases, the camera tends to shut down showing a temperature warning. That's a huge drawback for any action camera. So having a larger sensor will definitely create more heat, so what should DJI do? Well, a proper redesign might help in this case. We have seen the Insta360 ONE RS being able to shoot for more than 40 minutes even at full resolution. Moreover, DJI can upgrade the thermal system for Action 3 so that the heat is soaked inside more efficiently. Leaving a little room for a heat sink or something like that can reduce the overheating and greatly improve the Action 3's usefulness. Also, DJI needs to improve its stabilization. With Action 2, the company introduced Rocksteady 2.0 and Horizon Steady. This seems impressive, yet GoPro has got the best stabilization on its action camera. For example, in Action 2, EIS is not available while shooting in slow motion and time-lapse modes. Even Horizon Steady can only record videos at 1080p or 2.7K resolution. So, to beat the GoPro stabilization, DJI needs to bring more efficient stabilization technology and definitely with 4K support. Another most important upgrade DJI should add to its upcoming Action 3 is a built-in SD card slot, which we don't get with the main modular of Action 2. Though you can use a memory card in a separate module, it seems problematic to manage. Anyway, if DJI adds an SD card slot in the main module of Action 3, it would be pretty handy in every possibility. In terms of battery life, the Action 2 can manage to shoot for up to 70 minutes. Even the DJI Pocket 2 has better battery life than the Action 2. It's true that the time frame Action 2 provides is not enough to cover your favorite moments, although you can extend it by using the battery module. But sometimes it becomes so much of a hassle to carry many small accessories along with it. Not only that, it gives you the limitation of using other accessories just to extend the recording sessions. Now, let's talk about the release date. With all these upgrades, the DJI Action 3 is expected to come in November 2022. However, we might also be able to see the Pocket 3 and DJI Avatar this year. So, that's all about our expectations for the upcoming DJI Action 3. What do you think? What upgrades DJI should mainly focus on? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.